In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bose QuietComfort 35. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect your Bose QuietComfort 35 wirelessly to any device. You will be able to do this by using Bluetooth, so you can connect it to any device that has Bluetooth capabilities. This allows you to use them completely wirelessly. So all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. In these examples here, I have a MacBook and an iPhone. So just go over to the settings, choose the Bluetooth category, and make sure that it is enabled. Once Bluetooth has been enabled on any device of your choice, you will be able to put the QC35 in pairing mode. To do this, you will have to slide the power button to the right. So you will see that there is a Bluetooth symbol at the right side. All that you have to do is slide this until you hear ready to pair. So slide this towards the Bluetooth side, and once this is done, they will appear under the list of available devices. Just choose them from the list, and immediately upon doing so, they will remain connected indefinitely, as long as they have sufficient battery. If you need to recharge them, plug them in with the provided cable, and you can use it to listen to all of the audio being output on that specific device. You can do this completely wirelessly, and they will remain connected. You will see the LED indicator to know its status, and usually it is going to blink blue while you are in pairing mode and then remain a stable blue color when it is properly connected. This is going to work for any device. So PC, laptop, iPhone, and Android phone, whatever you have, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. After it has been enabled, slide the power button to the right, and usually you will be holding the button there for 3 seconds. So make sure that you don't let go of this button until you hear ready to pair. Once you hear that voice line from the speakers, you will be able to go ahead and connect it by finding it under the list of available devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bose QuietComfort 35. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.